Today is May 12th, 2011. It's day 3 of the cicadas. Day 1 of them really beginning to sing. I imagine it's going to get worse than this. But right now it doesn't bother me too much. Kind of get used to it. I'm going to scroll around the yard. Try not to get too dizzy. Take a look at some of them on the fence. These are just their shells. Climb the fence every morning, try and get up into the trees, and they shed some of their skin as they go up the fence. Actually, got quite a few of them. They claim that there could be up to 3 million of them per acre. So I would imagine we're probably only about 25% of the way there. Welcome to Tennessee.